You want to learn DevOps courses? Well, here's 7 best DevOps courses online, free, plus paid. First course, DevOps Beginners to Advanced, Decoding DevOps with Projects by Udemy. This course is the absolute best course for beginners. Topics covered in this course are prerequisites, info and setup, VM setup, Linux, Vagrant, and Linux servers, the Profile project setup manual, networking, introducing containers, Bash scripting, AWS Part 1, Git, Python, AWS Part 2, Docker, Terraform tutorial, CloudFormation tutorial. You will learn from the very basics. You will learn about tools and techniques. You will learn how various processes proceed together. You will learn Linux, Python scripting, etc. You will learn the AWS. This course is for everyone who is interested in learning DevOps. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Introduction to DevOps 90-minute crash course by Udemy. This is a crash course which provides training to learners with no prior knowledge about DevOps. Topics covered in this course are DevOps goals, Agile, and DevOps, the traditional silo approach, automation and DevOps, continuous integration, CI/CD summary, and benefits, types of tests, configuration management, bringing it all together, microservices, containers. You will learn about DevOps and its tools. You will learn about the CI/CD approach. You will learn the goals and benefits. You will learn about various types of tests used. You will learn about integration. This course is for beginners, basically for those who want to understand the basics of DevOps. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, DevOps Beginner Course, Theory of DevOps by Udemy. This course provides tutorials to learn from the very basics. Topics covered in this course are Theory of DevOps, Software Development Lifecycle, DevOps Tools, CI/CD Pipeline, Source Code Management, Build Automation, Automated Testing, Container Orchestration, Canary Testing, DevSecOps, DevOps in the real world. You will gain the basic knowledge about DevOps. You will learn the pros and cons of DevOps. You will learn about DevSecOps. You will learn about CI and CD pipelines. You will learn about the basic tools of DevOps. This course is for everyone, especially students who want to learn the pure basics of DevOps. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Learning DevOps Tools Complete Course Step by Step by Udemy. This course provides information about the tools used in DevOps. Topics covered in this course are Git, Ansible, Vagrant, Continue, with Ansible Automation, Nginx, Kubernetes, Azure, Python, Linux Command Line, MS System Center, PowerShell Key Concepts, YAML. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, A Complete Guide to Modern DevOps Implementation by Udemy. This course provides information about the tools used in modern DevOps implementation. Topics covered in this course are Professional DevOps, New DevOps Roles, Git, Vagrant, Docker Networking, Ansible, Jenkins, Security Practices, Chaos Monkey, and Fuzz Testing, Incident Response, and Forensics. You will learn step-by-step procedures to use various tools. You will learn about continuous integration tools. You will learn to eliminate security practices. You will learn to build configurations to address automation. You will learn to develop a feedback loop by automating security checks. This course is for anyone interested to learn about DevOps. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, DevOps Training by SkillUp, free course. This course lays out the basics of DevOps. Topics covered in this course are Tools, Git, Maven, and Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Chef installation, what is Puppet, what is Selenium. You will learn about the methodologies of DevOps. You will learn about the softwares used. You will learn about Maven and Jenkins. You will learn about Puppet, Chef, and Ansible. You will gain information about Git. This course is for anyone who has a passion for learning DevOps. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Seventh course, DevOps Tutorial for Beginners by YouTube, free course. This course provides you a comprehensive step-by-step training to learn about DevOps. Topics covered in this course: DevOps Lifecycle, DevOps Skills, Agile versus Waterfall, Linux Commands, Git, and GitHub, Jenkins, what is Docker, Agile Methodology, what is Puppet, Ansible Playbook, DevOps Tools, Continuous Deployment, Continuous Delivery, Jenkins Pipeline, CI/CD Pipeline. You will be provided with top 10 reasons to learn DevOps. You will be given information about top 10 DevOps tools of 2023. You will learn top 10 DevOps skills. You are provided with interview questions. You will gain information about the top 10 highest paying DevOps jobs. This course is for anyone who wants to learn the skill of DevOps. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.